Hi, my name is Muhammad Faizikman bin Muhammad Zainuddin CF200-235, and here is our introduction. Tekimetri. What is a tekimetri actually? Tekimetri is a branch of a surveying which have the horizontal and vertical distance at the point at the field. So observations are usually made from the topographical station, which is established by means of the traversing. So the primary object of the tekimetri is actually the preparation of the contour map or plan required both horizontal as well as vertical control. Tekimetri concept is actually to determine distance indirectly using triangle geometry. So tekimetri have two methods, and stadia is the one of the method. Stadia is actually to establish a constant angle and measurement the length of the opposite side. So the measurement can be taken with a theodolite transit and the level of a stadia rod. So that is the stadia.
Selamat sejahtera, my name is Chong Hui Ling and my matrix number is AF200-156. Now I will continue present about the objective. The objective of the tekimetry is produce the topographic and detailed plan of the proposed area using the surveying software. For the apertures and material of the tekimetry, there also have 6 apertures and material. The first one is total station, second is prisma, third is the mini prisma, 4 is the measuring tab, 5 is the pole, and the last one is the tripod. And then this is the example picture of the apertures and material in tekimetri.
Methodology. Procedures. First of all traverse points were checked to make sure the reduced level is achieved by conducting a leveling survey. Next, before the surveying start, all the detail about man-made features and public features were observed and sketched on a paper. The total station was set up over one of the traverse stations, and then height of the instrument was measured and recorded. Next, the final bearing from previous traverse sheet was used, and then the pole height was measured and recorded. Next, the pole with mini prism was then used as a target over a point that need to be surveyed. Next, horizontal bearing, horizontal distance, vertical distance was measured and recorded for each target and observation. And then, all the data for the features which can be seen at station 39 were observed, measured and recorded. And then, the instrument was moved to the next station, which is station 25. The steps were repeated to observe and record all features surrounding station 25 if there's missing when surveying from station 39. Additional control point must be set up when it found missing or disturbed or obstruction of the features from observed station. Next, result and calculations. First, all the readings recorded in a tekimetri sheet. Next, check carefully all survey field notes and observation along with the sketch. And then the reduced level point calculated. Next, plotting. First, use the SDR mapping and design or tree map surveying software to processing the adjusted data. And then, use the AutoCAD software to produce the plan. So, this is the data analysis and the result for tekimetri surveys for Group 5, which is observed from Station 39 and Station 25.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lisa Zainal and I will discuss about discussion. Several variables contribute to insecurity during the tekimetri survey process. The human component is the most important consideration for the work transverse. One of the most severe errors is that the instrument and data are not precise-centered. Errors arise when equipment such as total station on the reference point or a pole in the right position are not accurate. This will have impact on the observed horizontal angle. To minimize the influence of the data incongruency, the procedure of setting up the instrument must be done properly and completely. Furthermore, environmental conditions alter the impact of survey transfer level. Hot weather conditions cause refraction over a long distance, making the end of phase less distinct. Furthermore, the soft ground will cause the tripod to shift gradually, changing the location of the picket. As the result, it will impact on the reading previously collected data and cause significant mistakes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Adibah Halim and I will proceed with conclusion of tekimetri. One aspect of surveying that requires measuring height and earth level information that can be obtained indirectly through calculations is tekimetri. The field of surveying known as Tekimetri survey, Tekimetri used optical measurement to determine the distance between locations, horizontal and vertical axes. In conclusion, we were successful in achieving the goals of our Tekimetri project, which was to use surveying software to create a topographic and detailed map of the proposed region. Thank you.